Tribhuvan University 2081 regular exam, bachelor's level, 4 years program, humanities, BA 4th year, research and writing, English 427, subject question paper. Full marks 50, time 1.5 hours. Here are 3 sections. Section A is of 15 marks, section B is of 20 marks, and section C is of 15 marks. Section A, conceptual understanding. Question number 1. Answer any 3 of the following questions. Marks 3 into 5 equal to 15. A. Differentiate between a research work and an ordinary essay with relevant examples. B. For what purpose does a researcher need both primary and secondary sources in a research work? Explain with examples. C. A researcher should make the ethical use of sources in a literary research, particularly in terms of citation, plagiarism, and academic integrity. Elaborate. D. What is the significance of close reading in a literacy analysis? E. Why is it important for a researcher to position one's argument in response to other scholars' arguments on a certain issue? Section B. Application questions. Question number 2. Answer any 2 of the following questions. Marks 2 into 10 equal to 20. A. Read letter from Birmingham jail by Martin Luther King Jr. and do the activities given below. Read given information and find 1. What's the major argument of the letter? 2. How Martin Luther King Jr. defined his involvement in the protest. 3. Identify the biblical reference in the text and discuss the purpose of these references. B. Based on the research portfolio you have recently submitted to your instructor at your college, enlist the research process that you followed from topic selection to editing and submitting your portfolio. C. Read the following extract from Barack Obama's Howard University commencement speech and analyze persuasive strategy used in the speech and analyze the structure of the argument. Section C. Grammar, mechanics and style. Question number 3. Answer all the questions. Marks 3 into 5 equal to 15. A. Prepare work cited entry for the following informations according to the MLA format. Read carefully given information and write. Or question. Rewrite the following sentence in terms of noun and verb agreement. Read carefully given information and correct according as noun and verb agreement. B. Complete the following sentence in any way that makes sense. In making a case for the medical use of locally brewed alcohol, I am not saying that ... Or question. Paraphrase the following. Read carefully given information and paraphrase this paragraph. C. Develop the following sentence. I went a stationery with vantage point to buy some stationery item. Or question. I and he entered into the issue with a view to discuss on it. BA फर्स्ट इयरदेखि पत्रसम्मका जुन सिके विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एमको प्लेलिस्ट BA मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गएको खोल्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनहरूको हेल्पले फाइनल इक्जामको प्रिपेरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्नुहोला। तपाईले जुन जुन भिडियोहरू हेर्दै जान्छ ती भिडियोहरूमा लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्स्क्राइब र सेयर गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला।